Hello and welcome to this video series on how to get started with building user interface for robotic control. Basically, I designed this lesson for beginners new to robotic designs who just rely on off-the-shelf software, maybe have never built a user interface before to control a robot, or someone with just a little programming skills, particularly our students in the field of science and engineering. This lesson will help you to be productive in building an interactive user interface for robotic control. Basically, if you are an experienced programmer, maybe this lesson is not for you. You can wait for the next version of this lesson. I divided this lesson into two sections. The first section will focus more on computer-based user interface, while the second section will focus on the mobile app user interface, but for the robotic control. So for our viewer to get the most out of this lesson, I also encourage our viewer to read other online material, books, manuals to help them learn more quickly. So if you really want to join this lesson, simply subscribe to our YouTube channel to have access to this series of this video coming soon. Thank you for watching. And